Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming hardware and permissions. This matters because performance and install access depend on them. Once done, download a Windows 10 ARM image and a compatible emulator app, for example, Kemu builds. Make sure developer options and USB debugging are enabled and allow installs from unknown sources so the emulator can run. Now create a new virtual machine inside the emulator, choose the downloaded image, and allocate about 2-3 GB RAM. This gets the process moving immediately. You now configure the VM for a successful install. This is the detailed middle step. First, create a virtual hard drive. 20 GB or more is recommended, then attach it to the VM. Next, assign CPU cores and enable network and display acceleration where available to improve responsiveness. Point the virtual CD-ROM to the Windows 10 ARM ISO and ensure the boot order prioritizes CD-ROM. Otherwise, the installer won't start. Once configured, start the VM and watch the window. You complete installation by following the on-screen Windows setup. Create partitions, choose your account, and install drivers where prompted. That configures the system for daily use. After the first boot, install guest additions or tools offered by the emulator to improve touch input, screen resolution, and performance. If you encounter boot or performance issues, reassign more RAM or CPU cores, check the ISO integrity, or try an alternative emulator build. This single troubleshooting step resolves most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.